Friends, this is Sanjay Agarwal. So we are at the South Asian University. Today, all the media people have come from Delhi and far off, I think all over India and Nepal, because this university is with 8 SAR countries. I just met Vishnu and some other students, so they'll introduce themselves. Vishnu, what about you?
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ विष्णु।
क्या कोर्स परस्यू कर रहे हैं आप?
मैं यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर साइंस में पीएचडी स्कॉलर हूँ।
Okay, great. Yourself, ma'am.
So my name is Binwant Kaur and I'm doing MSc Computer Science.
Wow, yourself?
My name is Bhumi Priya and I'm pursuing a integrated MSc MTech in
Achha,
computer
what was your
science.
previous
I did
education?
a BSc Computer Science from Delhi University.
Which one? Which college?
Shyama Prasad Mukherjee
अच्छा
College.
मुझे तो लगा इलिनॉय से आ रखे कम
Myself Mukul Sharma and I am pursuing MSc in Computer Science. We are all bachelors.
सेम बैच
Yes,
वंडरफुल एंड हाउ डू यू फील टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी और ये क्या आम आदमी तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं एजुकेशन में इज इट एन अफोर्डेबल यूनिवर्सिटी
लिटिल बिट
Costly.
फीस यहाँ की हायर
हाँ.
है, लेकिन
वो
जिस
आप
तरह से
रुपीज में पे करते हैं डॉलर में करते हैं
एक्चुअली हम लोग रुपीस में पे करते
ठीक
हैं,
है
लेकिन वो डॉलर के रेट के हिसाब से थोड़ा वेरी करती रहती है।
करती है
हाँ।
वही मेरा
और
confusion
दूसरी बात है कि जिस तरह से फीस अगर जो थोड़ा हायर है तो उस हिसाब से हमको क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन भी मिलता है यहाँ पे।
गुड
सो वी हैव गुड फैकल्टी, वी हैव गुड लैब एंड एनवायरनमेंट as well as library.
There's scholarship for students also who are
Yeah.
from EWS background or
also
excelling students.
okay
Yes.
EWS is full waiver
There's different criteria,
Yeah.
different scholarship.
we asked the professor KK Agarwal ji and Khanna ma'am about the scholarship तो उन्होंने बताया कुछ है उसमें anyway,
अलग अलग
yeah.
सिनेरियो पे अलग अलग कंडीशंस पे।
और आप ये बैंगलोर का देख रहा हूँ
सर
आई वाज इन बैंगलोर फॉर एरो इंडिया आप कहाँ से हैं बैंगलोर से
सर मैं बैंगलोर से नहीं हूँ, मैं कानपुर से हूँ।
कानपुर से
बट बैंगलोर में
IIT
कॉन्फ्रेंस
IIT नहीं
नहीं, मेरा घर कानपुर
अच्छा
में है।
कानपुर आप कहाँ से एजुकेशन थोड़ा सा अपना
मेरा एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड, मैं कानपुर से इनिशियल एजुकेशन मेरी कानपुर से थी।
Very good.
उसके बाद मैंने कमला नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग किया, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। उसके बाद मैंने मास्टर्स साउथ एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी
ये
से
कब को आपका कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा कब तक
किया। ये इस साल लास्ट।
तो फिर क्या नेक्स्ट क्या है
आई विल लुक फॉर पोस्ट डॉक।
पोस्ट डॉग ये तो पोस्ट डॉग वाले हैं चलो व्हाट अबाउट यू
मेरे प्लान थोड़े अलग है, मैं इंडस्ट्री में जाऊंगा।
Very
startup
good.
and all.
स्टार्टअप ओके एंड वेयर यू फ्रॉम कहाँ से हैं आप
मैं पंजाब से हूँ बट मैं
पंजाब व्हिच प्लेस इन पंजाब
पठानकोट।
Pathankot. I stayed there for one night on the way to Vaishno Devi. What about you, ma'am?
I'll go in the corporates only.
So where are you from? कहाँ से
I'm
हैं
from
आप?
Delhi only.
Delhi where?
Kalkaji.
Kalkaji, and you
South
studied in DU?
Yeah.
Which college?
Khalsa College, North Campus.
North Campus. I'm from Shriram College, SSCC,
Oh.
Economics Honors and then MBA, and now doing this media work. So anyway, I think we wish you all the best. And आप लोग का भी एक पिक्चर इधर की साइड हो जाए
थैंक
है
यू,
ना
थैंक यू।
कब लोग खुश हो जाएंगे मैडम ये स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्शन हो गया इनका थैंक यू friends hi so we have two students from Bhutan who are enrolled in the SAU University so what's your name okay what course are you doing okay so this is your which year are you here first year and what about you same course okay so how many more years in this one more year so what's after that what are you planning
Return to our country and do some jobs.
okay very good what job you want to do
In related field like in mathematics, applied mathematics.
very good my brother was studying in St. Joseph so your king's father was studying in St. Joseph Nainital lovely good you liking this place and how many students from Bhutan
Approximately
20 okay so who gave you the name recommended you for this SAU
our seniors.
seniors
Awesome.
they're happy
Yeah.
and how much is the fees for like international student you would be international
Actually, we got scholarship. Also.
you got scholarship
And
oh lovely full scholarship
yes.
wonderful I asked the professor KK Agarwal and Khanna ma'am what is the scholarship you also got scholarship oh good lovely thanks रिलीज हो गया पास तो नमस्कार आज हम लोग साउथ एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी में हैं दिस इज द लाइब्रेरी हियर सो वी हैव अब्दुल्ला सर ही इज फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश and he's heading this library division. And यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं that a lot of students, they are from all the SAR countries and they are also from international different countries. जैसे अभी प्रोफेसर अग्रवाल ने बताया that जो आपका ऑनलाइन कोर्स होगा वर्चुअल, उसमें कुछ लोग हैं जो अमेरिका से बैठ के इधर कर रहे हैं. तो सर आपका स्वागत है. सर थोड़ा सा लाइब्रेरी के बारे में बताएंगे कि आपके कितने इसके मेंबर्स हैं. और सर ने बताया कि रियान सर ने कि दिस इज अ बिग लाइब्रेरी. इज इट द बिगेस्ट, सबसे बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है एशिया में?
Actually, now we are in a temporary campus of the university library. Our library, or the actual building is still under construction, so hopefully very soon we'll be able to shift there. So this library, we are covering all the subjects area of the university. Currently, we have around 1,000 students, and we are supporting the students. We have in the library around 15,000 number of books, and we have subscribing publishers from more than 35 publishers, and we are also getting access to a lot of electronic resources through the program recently initiated by the government of India, that is One Nation.
One Nation, I wanted to ask you that.
Yeah,
because Dr. Jitendra Singh recently launched that.
Yeah, we are having
You're
access
having
to all
that.
the journals.
Yeah, मेरा वही प्रश्न था, because I'm covering the science and technology. तो अभी recently उन्होंने launch किया है, so that
Our library is accessible from anywhere in the world.
okay.
That means 24 hours. And we have off-campus access facility. That means whatever the electronic resources or databases you are subscribing, students or researchers can access from off-campus also.
Okay.
Means wherever they
So
are.
your is it digital? Is it digital?
Online, yeah, online digital
Okay,
access.
lovely.
So we are having the facility.
Okay.
So that using that, students or researchers can access our resources from anywhere in the world.
Right. And they have to pay for that?
No, because whatever the tuition, library service is totally free of cost.
It's totally
We are
free
not
of
having
cost.
any kind of.
Yeah. No, if I am not a
So
student, then
these
how
are
do
for
I?
our currently enrolled, registered students
Right.
and our faculty member and staff.
People who are doing research, they can enroll.
For our outside members, those who want to access, they need to check in the university as per the agreement with the publisher.
Wonderful. Sir, आप कब से हैं?
I am here since October 2011.
11 से हैं. Long journey है आपका भारत में. कैसे लग रहा है सब भारत का?
I almost same. I feel same. Almost same. I feel at home actually.
Yes, I have seen the Indian history and politics. So हम लोग एक बार छत पे सो रहे थे when Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, that I remember that day also. That was close to our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's. They were our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had a lot of relationship. Like our now current Prime Minister is building up relation across the world. So how do you feel India को कैसे देख रहे हैं आप sir?
So, now there is no prime minister actually. Now is the chief advisor, you can say.
Chief advisor, very
Not,
good sir.
we don't say current prime minister. So now our country is in different shape.
Yes.
So because of there was a revolution recently in our country. You know
Yes,
that very
yes.
well. And now I think we hope that very soon the situation and the relation with the countries will become more,
Cordial.
cordial, right?
Very good. Sir. And how do you feel that our students here, जो आ रहे हैं, how do you feel they are all like
We have students from many outside India also.
Yes,
Like Bangladesh, we have from Nepal, Bhutan.
Bhutan. I met Bhutan.
And also, I think earlier, Afghanistan also.
Afghanistan also. Yes.
So now there are some issues. So I think very soon these issues will be resolved. Hopefully, because we need more students, and universities have offering more courses also. I think recently today also, I think
Yes, sir.
they are right.
We saw all the courses which are coming, the interdisciplinary science programs are going to start, the virtual, that is a 5-year. And so what about the newspapers and periodicals? आपको पूरे world का इधर आता है newspapers, periodicals?
No, actually, we are subscribing. We have been subscribing earlier.
Right, sir.
Databases, newspaper databases,
Okay.
like Newsbank.
Yes.
So now the subscription may be in a process for the renewal.
All right.
So that is online and it covers all over the world most important newspapers.
That is important.
Yeah.
All languages we need the
That is
papers.
Newsbank. And also you know that we have access to some other international magazines also, physical copy as well as online access.
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच अब्दुल्ला सर. मैम कुछ बोलना चाहे तो आप भी बोल सकते हैं, सर कुछ बोलना चाहे तो. सो आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. एंड आई थिंक वी आर डिलाइटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस SAU कैंपस टूर में हम लोग अभी निकले हैं. काफ़ी मीडिया लोग चले गए हैं, बट मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ सो दैट उनको हम लोग शेयर कर पाएंगे.